What's up guys? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for the Sony a5100 camera. I chose this camera because I did a lot of research on it, and one of my favorite part is probably the mirrorless, or the ones, I guess you can call it like a selfie mirrorless camera. I don't really know, but I'm going to show you guys once I open it up. So I'm really excited about this camera. I've been saving up for it and I've been doing a lot of research on it. So I just want to unbox it on camera and let you guys know. So if you guys are looking for a good vlogging camera, maybe this will help you out. But it was either this one or the the Canon G7 Mark X, something like that. I'll list it below. But those two cameras were the ones that I was looking to buy, but I decided to settle on the Sony a5100. So let's go ahead and do this unboxing. Alright guys, so this is the box. I've already opened it because it would have been hard to open on camera. I also took out the camera, so it's not really an unboxing video, I guess, but I had to take out the camera so I can charge it, so I can show you guys while it's turned on, because the battery was out. So it wouldn't have worked if I showed you. So I just went ahead and took the camera out, and I'm charging it right now so I can show you guys later in the video how it works. But I'm going to show you. Okay, so I bought the camera as a kit, meaning it comes with everything, like an extra charger or an extra battery, the SD memory card. It comes with the bag, the camera bag. So yeah, so it's basically like all you need, like camera starter 101 kind of kit. And I bought it for $550. I did buy it from Walmart. So I wanted to buy it in either at Best Buy or at Walmart, because just in case I don't like the camera, I can always return it to the store, versus if I were to buy it from Amazon, I'd have to pay for the shipping fee and all that junk. So if you do want to buy a new camera, I highly suggest you guys to go on either Best Buy or any electronic store or Walmart, just so you can have that comfort of returning it whenever you end up not liking it. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the box. I'm going to show you the camera first and foremost, because that's the main idea here. So it is the Sony a5100. I got it in the color white, but the box will come in the color black. I kind of got scared when I opened it. I was like, I know I did not pick black. But when I opened it and I saw it was white, I had a little laugh, because I was kind of, I don't know, I would have taken black anyway as well. It's just, I don't know, if I'm spending $550 on something, I want it to be something that I want. Okay, so yeah, so like I said, I've already taken out the camera, and I'm about to show you the camera in a bit, but I want to show you everything that it comes with first. And yeah, of course it comes with the camera, so here it is. It's 24.3 megapixel. I'm just basically reading like this stuff at the bottom right here. This is 24.3 megapixel fast hybrid AF. Whoa, is that supposed to be like fast hybrid as? Okay, touch focus shutter, built-in flash. Yeah. Oh, it comes with an extra lens. So what is it? It's like 16-35. I don't know exactly. But when you do purchase your camera, sometimes it will not. Some of them doesn't come with the extra lens. So I made sure that I got the extra lens just so I can see the difference. But yeah, I mean, it's not much of a price difference if you get it without the extra, or not extra, but like the lens, like this lens right here. So okay, so another thing, some more things that it comes with a couple of things that I'm going to be showing you. Like I said, it comes with the bag. So this is the bag, and the bag is actually pretty neat, because on the side pockets right here, it comes with the cleaner, and it's something that you could never lose because it's attached to the bag. So isn't that cool? The other side is just an empty pocket, so it has two side pockets on the bag, and then we have this main pocket right here. And basically it comes with a little net pocket right here, and it comes with a waterproof bag just in case. And this is what the main bag, what it looks like, the biggest part of the bag. So it has this separator or organizer that you cannot take out, but basically you put your camera here and then the lens here. All right, so that is that, and I had to attach this myself as well, so it does come with a strap, so it doesn't, so you don't drop it, or you get a better hold of the camera. Okay, another thing, something that I'll probably never use is a multi-coated filter kit, whatever that is. But yeah, it comes in that too. And we have the rapid travel charger, which is the charger that it comes with. It also comes with the car charger like this. So yeah, you can charge it in your car or charge it at home. So I thought that was neat because sometimes if I want to use the camera and my battery is dead, I could always charge it in my car if I'm not able to go to a building or at home. Yeah, so I am using the charger right now. So yeah, that's just an empty box. And it comes with this thing. I think you strap this on the camera, but I'm probably not going to. I don't know, maybe. I haven't figured out how to do it yet, but we'll see. But it does come with that. It comes with this thing that I don't know what is, and I'll probably never use it, honestly. It is Bluetooth, and it works with Wi-Fi, I believe. It does come with an SD memory card, which I am thankful for. It comes with a 64 gigabyte because it would have been expensive to buy it separately. So I'm glad it came with the kit. So it comes with this deluxe starter kit bag as well. So it comes with the lenses, or no. It comes with the cleaner. It comes with a tripod, the little spray you use to clean the camera. It comes with SD card holder. Oh my gosh. And okay, so this you know how you have the screen protector for your phone? It has that for your camera as well. So I'll probably use that because I'm a little clumsy at times. Camera, like I said, I'm charging the camera right now and the battery, so I'm using the other battery, but it comes with an extra battery. So, and we have this, I don't know, whatever. I think you can actually plug this into, I don't know what that is. And the rest of it is just paper, and it comes with a little thing that nobody probably even watches. I wouldn't watch it. And yeah, just paper. So that's basically all that it comes with. I'm gonna go get the camera right now and show you guys the camera physically. So alright, so I have the camera. It doesn't come with this. This actually came from my old camera, but I actually like the idea of it wrapped around my wrists, even though it's a little heavy, but it just gives you that security. So I just took it from my old camera and I strapped it onto this. It's not even the right thing that you should strap it on, but you know, whatever. Whoops. Okay, so this is the camera. Let's see if I can do a little. Okay. Woo. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Sony a5100. Okay, this is what I was telling you guys about that I loved. Okay, so when you're videotaping, you can actually see yourself. Just like that. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it on. And this is the extra lens that it comes with that I told you guys. And you can remove it if you want. Let's see. Oh, okay. So yeah, that's the extra lens, and this is what it looks like without it. So you could literally, oh, did I just, I think I took too much. I saw it being done on YouTube. Oh, wait, yeah, I did the same exact thing. Anyway, you can remove it, whatever. I'm not gonna go into that, but yeah. So here's the on and off switch. All the little things that you need to turn it on and to maneuver the camera. But okay, so I'm gonna turn it on. All right. Okay, so I am using my phone to film, but you know, whatever works. So I'm gonna turn the camera on, and it's giving me this menu. Oh, okay, it's not touchscreen.
Just in case you guys are wondering, I am in the central settings, probably turn the settings on. Date and time is the 18th. Okay, 2018. Oops. And it is 3:07. Let's do 3:08. And that is PM. Okay, nice. And then date format, I guess it doesn't matter. Alright.
Nice. Oh, it's just, oh, you know what? My lens is on. Let's take that off. There we go. Nice. Okay. So this is what it looks like when it's, whenever it's flipped. Do you guys see me? Okay, so I'm gonna film with this camera, and I'm gonna insert it so you guys can see how HD it is, and you can definitely tell the difference between an iPhone filming versus this. So yeah, I'll get back with you in a couple seconds, in a bit. Next clip. All right, guys, so I have my, whoop, I have my gym shorts. Whoa. Okay, I have my gym shorts underneath my pants right now, but I'm about to go lift. Found out my tripod is not strong enough for this camera, so yeah. Here's my small ass dirty kitchen, but I'm about to make, you can see me. I'm about to make my pre-workout. I'm still taking the one more rep pre-workout by BPI Sports, by the way. Always and forever, probably, because it's the only one that tastes really good to me. And I'm gonna take some creatine as well, and it's just the Optimum Nutrition creatine. The scoop is somewhere, but I'm just gonna go ahead and pour like just a bit. I have kind of an idea of how much I need. I don't take creatine every day, if you guys are wondering, just because it does make you bloated, and I don't know, some days I just don't want to feel bloated. But yeah, I'm about to leave in a bit, and I guess I'll see you guys at the gym. See you soon. Alright, so the gym. I am currently training for a weightlifting competition coming up next Saturday. It's gonna be in Nashville, Tennessee, and I'm gonna try to vlog my whole weightlifting meet. It's gonna be my first weightlifting meet. Like I said, I have done a powerlifting meet before, but never have I done the weightlifting meet. I've done a competition with weightlifting and powerlifting at the same time. It's like a super total, but it's not legit, I guess. I mean, you perform, and you get awards and stuff, but it's not like state record breaking. It's none of that. It's just basically for fun. So yeah, I'm gonna have fun in this meet coming up because I'm not gonna try to lose weight. I just wanna experience my first weightlifting competition. So that's what I was training for today. I was practicing my openers to see how well I can do them. I know my form is not good. It's not perfect, but whose form is perfect? Actually, a lot of Olympic weightlifters' form is perfect, but I'm getting there, okay? I am working on it. I train every day. There's always room for improvement. There is always training sessions. The gym is always there. So, yeah, I really try to be the best at everything that I do, and I actually planned this meet just last night because I figured you have to train for something, right, when you go to the gym. So why not do a competition just to experience it, to see if you even like the sport. You know, I enjoy doing weightlifting, and I like to compete, so this is gonna be really good for me. Stick around if you guys want to see how I do, and everyday vlogs, basically my life vlog. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.